We have another example on the board. The very first thing what we're supposed to do in this case, we're supposed to organize the equations. So I have to make sure that on the left side I'm going to have x, y. Okay, so that's why I'm going to move this negative 1/4 y to the left side. So I have negative 1/6x plus 1/4 y equals negative 2. Next, I'm going to move to the left side 1/6 y. So I'm going to have 1/5 x minus 1/6 y equals 4. As you can see, right now, my both equations are organized. Remember, we're supposed to have x variable, y variable, and constants. Next, we're supposed to eliminate fractions. We said before, in order to eliminate fractions from equation, we're supposed to multiply both sides equation by the common denominator. Remember, if you want to convert the whole number to fraction, you're supposed to write whole number over 1. Common denominator for the first equation is going to be 12. That's why I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 12. The common denominator for the second equation is going to be Torre. That's why I'm going to multiply both sides of my second equation by Torre. So I have negative sign will stay. I have negative 12 times 1/6 x plus 12 times 1/4 y equals negative 2 times 12. And the second equation, I have Torre times 1/5 x minus Torre times 1/6 y equals 4 times Torre. I'm doing everything step by step. Now, negative 12 divided by 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. That's why I'm going to have negative 2x. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So I have plus 3y. Negative 2 times 12 is equal to negative 24. This is simplified first equation. Next, we have Torre divided by 5, which is equal to 6. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. That's why I'm going to write over here 6x. Negative Torre divided by 6 is equal to negative 5. Negative 5 times 1 gives me negative 5. Y. And 4 times Torre is equal to 120. Now, we're supposed to use addition-subtraction method. So look at the coefficients of x and y. We have negative 2, we got 6, we have 3 and negative 5. So what we can do? We can eliminate x by multiplying the top equation by 3. And let's take a look what I'm going to have. Negative 2 times 3 is going to give me negative 6x. 3 times 3 gives me 9y equals negative 24 times 3 is equal 72. I mean negative 72. And I have 6x minus 5y is equal 120. Negative 6 plus 6 is equal 0. Positive 9 minus 5 gives me 4y equals negative 72 plus 120 gives me 48. In order to find value of y, I have to divide both sides equation by 4. Y is equal 48 divided by 4 is equal 12. And this is the value of my y coordinate. Next, we're supposed to find x coordinate. In order to find the value of the x coordinate, we're supposed to plug in y into one of the original equations and solve the chosen equation for x, or we can use the simplified equations and also solve the chosen equation for x. I'm going to use the simplified equations. Don't forget that this equation is equivalent to this one, and the second equation is equivalent to this one. So it doesn't matter if you are going to use one of these or one of these. So always choose the one which has the lowest number. So I'm going to choose the first one. So I have minus 2x plus 3y is equal negative 24. I'm looking for x. I have minus 2x plus 3 times 12, because my y we found is equal 12 equals negative 24. I have minus 2x plus 3 times 12 is equal 36 equals negative 24. Next, I'm supposed to move my positive 36 to the right side, and I have minus 2x equals minus 24 minus 36. Minus 2x is equal negative 60. In order to find value of x, I have to divide my equation, both sides of my equation, by negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 2 will cancel out, and I have x equals 30. Because negative divided by negative gives me positive, and 60 divided by 2 is equal 30. So, in order to verify your answer, you're supposed to plug in values of x and y into the original equation and prove that the left side is equal to the right side. I made the proof, and these two values are going to make the left side of the equation is equal to the right side. I want you to do them by yourself. Okay, so I can say, because I made the proof, that the ordered pair x equals 30 and y equals 12 is the solution to the system.